In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a Notion page with a password. Whether you're looking to secure sensitive information or simply want to add an extra layer of privacy to your Notion workspace, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease. We'll ensure you have the confidence to protect your content while continuing to enjoy the seamless, dynamic experience Notion offers. To begin, open Notion on your computer and navigate to the page you want to secure. It's essential to be logged into your Notion account to access and edit your pages. Once you're in the Notion workspace, locate the page you'd like to protect. You'll notice a set of options in a menu bar at the top or side of your screen, depending on your workspace layout. Click on the Share option in this menu. This is where you manage the accessibility settings of your page. In the Share menu, look for the Share to the Web option, which is typically accompanied by a toggle switch. It's crucial to ensure that this toggle is off since a locked Notion page should not be accessible to the public. By disabling this feature, you restrict access to those who have direct permission. Now, let's focus on sharing your page with a specific person who requires access. In the same Share menu, you can invite individuals by entering their email addresses in the Share with People section. This step ensures that even without a public link, your page remains accessible to those you authorize. Next, let's concentrate on setting up password protection, which is a slightly different approach on Notion, as the platform doesn't offer direct inbuilt password protection at the moment. What you can do instead is ensure your workspace or your shared page sections rely on either team-based permission settings or private accounts with individual logins. It's about managing who you share your page with, thereby indirectly applying a form of password protection. Make sure to discuss privacy settings with your collaborators and emphasize the importance of secure password management for individual Notion accounts. If you need to enhance security further, consider using third-party solutions. Notion community often discusses various creative ways to add an extra layer of security, so explore forums or consult with your team for tailored solutions. As a final tip, it's always good practice to regularly review who has access to your pages. Occasionally go back to these settings and ensure that only the necessary people can access your page. Staying informed about Notion's latest security features through their Help Center or community forums can also be beneficial. With these steps, you now have a better understanding of securing your Notion pages. While built-in password protection might not be available, managing access and permissions allows you to effectively safeguard your information. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments below.